Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So today we're making this beauty. This is a spinach omelette that you can enjoy as your breakfast, as your dinner, or even as a lunch. It's very good to pack and get it to work. So let's see how we can make it. In order to make that delicious spinach omelette, we're going to need only 3 ingredients. 400 grams of spinach, 3 eggs, and 1 large onion. Chop your spinach roughly. Chop the onions finely. Add a spinach. You can add your spinach gradually because the spinach needs to shrink. Once like this, it means that you need to turn off the heat. Once your spinach is at room temperature, you can start adding the eggs. Add salt, pepper, give it a good mix. Add all to your pan again. If you can see, this is the same pan we used to fry the onions and the spinach. Spread your ingredients. On medium heat, put the lid on. If you realize that one side is good by doing this act, once you've turned it, you can cut it in smaller pieces. Let it cook for another 2 to 5 minutes and then you're done. And this is the outcome. Yum!